for watching 9 to 5 Mac. Be sure to thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and then enable notifications with the bell icon so you won't miss any upcoming videos.
Hey gang, Scooter here testing out the EyeVac Air. This is a 2-in-1 HEPA air purifier and touchless vacuum. I'm going to talk about the product a little bit while we start with the unboxing. I received the all-white version of the Air from EyeVac, but they also sell a white and silver and black and silver version. The setup was essentially just removing all the plastic and packaging, then you're ready to go. Here's the vacuum dust storage alongside a filter cartridge, which is easy to remove and clean. Each side of the purifier comes with a HEPA H13 filter, complete with active carbon composite, which can filter 99.7% of air pollutants as small as 0.3 micrometers in diameter. Both the air purifier and vacuum have manual and auto settings that can be toggled with a quick tap, and each configuration is illuminated and easy to understand. Here's a quick manual test of the vacuum while I was setting everything up. Next, it was time to get the EyeVac Air situated in my home. I positioned it in between my family room and kitchen where there's a lot of dog traffic. The EyeVac Air can purify a room up to 600 square feet and is really quiet, less than 23 decibels. When I first got everything running, the device put out a plastic smell for a bit, but it eventually dissipated. My Great Pyrenees Stella provided plenty of testing material for the vacuum, which uses an infrared sensor to activate when you sweep your dust pile beneath it. This means no need for bending over or dustpans, just sweep it all in. The vacuum function is understandably louder, but that's required to suck up all your home's dust and dirt, and in my case, dog hair. And that's no problem thanks to the Air's 1000 watt motor. A red light indicates when the dust storage bin is full, and it then easily pops out and its lid comes off for easy discard of everything that was sucked out. Once you dumped everything out, the bin pops right back in and is ready to vacuum some more, all while the air purifier continues to run. In fact, in auto mode, the EyeVac Air runs a 4-hour purification cycle every time the vacuum is activated. Overall, the EyeVac Air is a handy 1-2 combo that helps keep your floors and surrounding air clean. The EyeVac Air is available to purchase through the link in the description below. Check back with 9 to 5 Toys soon for the latest and cutting-edge tech reviews.